Squad, as y'all can see, we are currently at King's Tire and Wheel, and we are getting the drag setup put on my Hellcat. We are getting the Forgiatos taken off, and guess what we are doing? We are getting the skinnies put on and the fat boys in the back. But before we start this video, make sure y'all subscribe, turn on post notifications, click that bell, and tap in with everything. And all information is in the description below. Don't miss this video. Watch it from beginning to end, and don't skip none of the math. Let's get it. Let's go. So if y'all watched the last video, then you see when we went to Weld. Shout out to Weld Performance, man, for hooking us up with these top level 17-inch rims, and then we got the 18s going on in the front. These are skinny. That's a fat boy in the back, and we also have the other ones right here in the back seat as well. So you want to make sure that you don't miss nothing that's going on after this video, because we are going to the drag strip and we are going to take these Forgiatos off and make this joint a drag strip monster, and we're gonna have a lot of fun with it. So make sure you don't miss it. But if y'all wondering what happened in the front, maybe that's a future video later. I don't know. I want to say it right now. You know what I'm saying? But y'all know I've been over here rocking with my dog Sacco at King's Tire and Wheel for a very long time. He got all the off-road monsters right here. I mean, look at this one right here. Green Rhino Liner, Jeep Wrangler, legendary as fuck. And look at the SS Monte Carlo. Them joints is hood classics too. But then look at this right here. I believe this is the old Ford Ranger or Bronco. I don't know. Y'all know in the comments, but I could be wrong. But look, this is Rhino Liner on here as well. We're gonna find out what's on this joint right now. But this is a international Strat. I don't know what the hell it is, but it's either a Ranger or a Bronco. Hey, is this a Bronco or Ranger? It is a Bronco. See, come on, I know my shit, y'all. You know, I used to have an old Bronco. Not that old, but I used to definitely have a Bronco. I love the Broncos. I don't know about the new Broncos. I'm not, I don't know. I hate to judge it before I get in it, so I gotta like get in it, drive it, do some off-roading with it, and see what it's capable of. But just off the exterior look, I would say that I wish that they made them, not that one, a little bit more true to form, like, you know, the OJ Bronco type. You know, hey, we don't want to comment on nothing with the Kings, but yeah, and this right here, obviously, we've been talking about buying something like this. My dog Sway was talking about that, so I'm thinking about it still. And what the hell going on with that? We got a lot of stuff going on over here. And if you look, you know, obviously y'all know my dog Sacco knows his off-road and shit, and if y'all, I've been off-roading with him, and we put up more than a few videos, so make sure y'all go check out all the off-roading videos. But we got a Gladiator right here, and I want to say those are 37 or 40 tires. You know, the crazy part is he had 40s on his Jeep Wrangler. We got my dog Sway.
I got
right here.
goddamn 18s, my goddamn Honda.
Sway crazy, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to Sway. Follow Sway on Instagram. But this right here, I always like the Wranglers. What's happening, champ? How you been, man? Yeah, good. But my dog Sacco, he's gonna be here in a minute now. But I like the Wranglers with the crop tilted top. That's the, yeah, I like it, bro. Oh yeah, because you got the blue interior on that, right?
Oh yeah, I picked it up.
Yeah, look, I gotta show y'all. He's just picking it up right now. Look at this joint, full blue interior. That joint heavy right there, champ. I ain't gonna lie to you. And then we got, I think that's the new Bronco. No, is it? No, that's the Wrangler. I'm tripping. But yeah, we got the Impala joint right here, the Forgiato wheel. Shout out to my dogs over there at Forgiato. But this is legendary. Good beefy tires on that joint. We got another one over here that they're beefing up right now with the whole camper setup in the back, with the whole, you know, the jack for, you know, when you get, you know, down and dirty in that dirt. So yeah, that one got full bloody blue interior. Appreciate it, brother. I see you with the Alcantara and the blue interior on here.
Trying to work it out, bro.
Oh, hey, brother, you ain't trying. You doing it. Got the Alcantara on there with the Digi-Dash. I see you, brother. You be taking this joint off-roading?
I just built it, bro. Like, I just supercharged it and did everything, like, recently.
Oh, you supercharges?
Yeah, supercharged.
Oh, shit, with a Whipple?
It's a Magnuson, the brand new one.
Oh, shit, that's hard. Y'all superchargers, motherfuckers? Okay, champ. Yeah, you finally picked it up. It's been here for a while.
Yeah, it took, like, a long time because, like, they did all the starlights.
Oh, that's heavy Sway like them shits right there.
Yeah. So
Oh, that's cold. And Sacco, they did all that here.
I got another guy that does crazy interiors, but they did all the, like, technical work.
Of course.
Everything, suspension, wheels.
Yeah, they top level with it.
Yeah.
100%. Yeah. I got them doing everything with my TRX. You see my TRX up here?
I love it, bro.
Yeah, thank you, brother.
I was trying to take it on the spin. I was like, man, whose is this? I need that.
Yeah, you had some fun with that motherfucker, man. You take that on the spin, I'll take this one on spin.
I seen Sacco reposting you. You guys was
Out there off-roading.
Yeah. I'm gonna go with him soon. I'm buying a second set of wheels, a 17 inches, because I don't want to fuck these up.
Okay.
I'm gonna buy another.
Fuck it, you get one life, brother. Live it to the moon. Fuck them up.
God bless, bro.
You too, brother. You drive safe, all right? I like that joint, though, champ. You killed it. Let me show y'all how, with the full understanding is going on over here. They got the whole joint took off over here. They be doing, I'm telling you, when I tell you they do everything up here at King's Tire and Wheel, and I'm not getting paid to say this. They just top level, top of the move people. And look, come on, man, let's get understand. That's a TRX bumper right there. Before, look at the whole shebang going on over there. Look at it. Man, listen, tap in, Get with it. They dropped the whole damn shebang in this joint. Sheesh. And look at this, the light in the back. And all the components in the back of the Mook. All right, champion. That joint nice. You got all the extra components under that joint. That's what you gotta do when you get around them big boy toys with them big ass tires. And look at his fender. Like, so imagine mine, how they'd be rubbing with that type of setup with them big ass rims. That's the perfect kind of setup to keep it pure with y'all though. The big ass off-roading white Caucasian man tire, no offense, half of it, so hey, y'all get it. But the big rim to go with it, what would you say, Sway? That's a 20-inch rim, right? 38 by 13, so who knows, who give a fuck? But that's a big ass rim with a big ass off-road tire. So I like that. And Forgiatos. Shout out to my guys over there at Forgiato, AC, Norm, the whole team over there, Gary. But I like that type of setup. You know, if I could do that, a big off-road tire with a big rim, that's what I would do on my TRX. But I got it lifted as high as it go. I don't think you can lift it no more than what it is, huh?
Nah, less it's scary. It's already scary driving now.
Yeah.
It's scary.
And we got 37 tires on there. And you got to remember, Sacco had, I don't know if those are 38s. I got 37s on mine. And Sacco on his got 40s.
Yeah, his goddamn big 3Ds and one goddamn tire.
No question.
I'm over exaggerating, but
it's all right, brother. Sometimes we got to do that to exemplify how legendary something is.
It's an OD tire.
Shout out to my dog Sacco. Gave me the Nissan Titan Mook, the gray Rhino liner on there to drive, because we got to go get a suction Mook because we're going straight to the drag strip after this, so you can see it right there. Got the skinnies on already, but we got to go. Damn, this motherfucker ain't got no room in this joint. Let me, hold on, throw that over there. Screw back the seat. Damn, Sacco, what the hell going on over here? Well, this truck is small as hell. Hey. All right, here we go, y'all. Let's close this and let's go. You know how long it's been since I've been in the car? You gotta turn the key. Let's see. So we're gonna be driving this joint right here, y'all. Because Sacco said we should take this just in case we gotta tow this joint back and everything like that. So let me back the joint up because they ain't got no rear view mirror, so I gotta do the old school way like this. You know you're a youngster if you ain't never did this one backing out of the car. Man, we in this joint, man. Big boy toys. Y'all see what's going on? Big boy toys. We in this thing, man. Step on this joint. Y'all hear them wheels squealing? Okay. Okay, Sacco. I see you, champion. All right. Let me see when we get there. We gotta grab this little joint for the little suction cup Mook for the phone because it's getting dark. And when we get to the drag strip, we wanna make sure that y'all can see everything going inside the car and outside the car. Shout out to Gustavo and AutoZone, man. But yeah, I had to get this joint right here. So I figured I'd flip the phone around to where y'all see the screen, but then the flash should be pointed at me. Hopefully it's just a sturdy little mount. We'll find out, we'll see. But we are in the Nissan Titan Mook, man. Shout out to my dog, Sacco, man, at King's Tire and Wheel. Let's get up in this joint. Let's get back to the shop and let's see how this build is going with the Hellcat 2.0. See what Sway got to say about this. I bet you, how much I want to bet Sway trolls this damn thing. I'm like, yeah, it ain't gonna be like my quality of work, but I guess it'll do for now. How much I want to bet? Watch this. My leg's so tight in this one. I gotta see that. Oh, we got the lights on with that. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Lights off. Hey.
And then he's taking a turn in the freeway. Flip that bitch.
What you think about this?
How much is this? Still cheap as shit. You pay at least like $20 for this, huh?
About 20 bucks.
Return this, and they have one for $47.
But look, you can just return, like flip the camera around. It's only a one-time thing anyway.
Bro, they have them for $47. I know you
No,
ain't.
I didn't. No, bro, I didn't
You
see
never-
no $47 one. That was the best one to flip it around.
I bought one for my car, bought return because I need the money.
Oh
It
my
was $47.
I pay you more than enough money, brother. You could have kept it. You was
I'm
just
cheap.
see.
You're never cheap. I'm cheap.
Yeah, I am cheap. Shit.
Oh shit. All right.
Do you think it'll work though?
No,
Why won't it? Look, you can just flip the camera around right there,
it's on the mirror.
bro. I don't
And I need
Alright.
the one that suctions up to the window.
see. That's why your ass supposed to. I would have to go get it. But you had to film this. Let me look at this, man. Damn, this bitch hard, huh, champ?
Hard.
Them joints is heavy. A burnout right here, huh, Sway? I don't think Soccer would care either. That joint look good. Look at that. Hey, that shit look hard. That look better than this than it did with the 4Gs.
No, but you think I'm playing if I'm dead, you got to.
What?
You got to do a burnout.
Burnout right here.
You got to.
Fuck it. Right here.
We're like
Right here.
for your safety.
You gotta hit him up.
You gotta hit him up. That's nothing to me, brother. That's nothing. Look at them joints. It's big drag radios. That ain't crazy. Damn. Look at Thompson Mooks too. What size is these? ET Street R Mooks with the what's the size right here? Y'all gonna be able to see it probably before I do. Bam. 305 45 R17s, man. With the B-Lock. The B-Lock is activated too. So don't think it ain't. My dog Soccer know what he's doing over here, man. And you see now you can finally see that I repainted my Brimbos instead of gold. I brought them back to red. Shout out to my dog Tony, reflection detail. Red eye. Woo, got the pink eye, the spank eye in that motherfucker. Eat too much booty ass eye. Hey! I'm giving y'all some of the behind the scenes on Swaybe. Giving y'all some of them top of the movies we be producing for on this YouTube journey with y'all, man. For y'all, you know what I'm saying? But look at that. That joint is hard. Shout out to my dog Sacco and everybody here at King's Tire and Wheel. It's some top of the movie legendary shit. I personally think it looks better like it is right now. Drop a comment below. Let me know, do you agree with me? Because that shit looks way more menacing now. But it's only right. Sway, he convinced me. Put the camera on him. Look, so that way Sacco, if Sacco's gonna get mad at somebody if I smoke this bitch up and somebody gotta call Smokey the Bear, he gotta blame him and Sway.
That shit, Soccer too. He said do it too.
Did Sacco say it too?
Yeah.
Sacco, he did a hell of a
Blame Sacco.
Blame Sacco and shit. And then if Sacco don't want to take the blame, then we blame him. And then if he don't want to take the blame, then we blame Sway.
Not me.
Everybody take the blame but me. You know what I'm saying? So now we're gonna get in, pull it out, back it out, and come like right here. And you know, we're gonna end the video with a good burnout. And then from there, we're heading straight to the drag strip, so don't miss the next video, man. All right, let's put this joint in track. And let's hold down the traction control button till it says completely off. And don't worry about the PSI. They said that'll readjust in 15 minutes. We good, Sway?
Yeah.
All right, let me roll up the window now. Let's go. Look at that smoke. Hey! Look at that right there. Yeah. Somebody call Smokey the Bear. Look at that. Still smoking, man. Put your Swisher on that joint, light it up and take that shit home with you, man. Police where?
Right there.
Oh shit, there we go. You see, it's still, as you can see, it's still big smoke in this joint right now. Let's pull off. Hopefully don't run no police, because y'all see the setup is big, illegal on the road. So I hope that y'all subscribe, hit the thumbs up, turn on post notifications, and give this video good watch time from beginning to end. Don't skip no ass throughout this whole entire video, man. Let's get it. Let's go.